Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we got a CPU. It is an assembled CPU which is not booting up. There is no fan power, no noise after pressing power button. First of all, we have changed the power cable, but the issue is same. It is not booting up. Now we will try to fix it. Now we will open the case. It is an professional built CPU with high configuration. As you can see, there is so much dust on the motherboard. There are 2 RAM slots installed. We'll open the case from other side too. No power. Unplug the power cable first, and we will open the cabinet properly. There are 2 RAMs. We will take it out. Now we will check the power again because it can be a RAM issue. We have attached the power cable, but the no power. It is not working. Now we'll take the other RAM out. Now take out the BIOS battery. Press this button and it will come out automatically. As you can see, it was built in 2013, almost 7-year-old. We have to change it. Now we are attaching a new BIOS battery. Attach the power cable and check whether it was a BIOS issue or not. No, it was not BIOS issue. No. We will take out the power cable again. Take out the BIOS and unplug this power plug from motherboard. There can be a dust or loose connection in it. blow some air in the plugs. Can use a blower and attach it properly. We will check the power again. Attach the power cable properly. We are going to press the power button and it is working now. It was a loose power connection on motherboard. For now we will clean it properly. First of all, clean the RAM with the razor. You can use a brush to clean the slots, or if you have a blower or vacuum cleaner, you can use that. Now we will take out the graphic card from CPU to clean it up, because from last 7 years it was not cleaned properly. Deattach the display cable. And take out the graphic card. There was a lock behind graphic card. You have to press it and it will come out automatically. This is Zotac 2GB graphic card. If you have a blower, that will work better than the brush. You also scrub it with an eraser. Clean the slot with brush. I will take out the CPU fan. As you can see, there is no CPU paste on processor. You can use this kind of paste, heat sink compound. We will apply a little bit of it on CPU, just like this. It will keep it cooler, otherwise your computer will reboot again and again. Attach the CPU fan, connect it properly. Connect the fan cable to motherboard. Fix the graphic card again. And press it down. Yes. Attach the screws again. Attach the RAM. Almost all parts are properly cleaned now. Attach the RAM and you will listen a click sound when you press it down. Place the BIOS battery. Now everything is attached. We will boot it up. There is no display because we have not attached the display cable yet. Attach the display cable. Yeah, we got it. We have changed the BIOS battery, that's why it's asking to press default values. We will press F2 to load the default values. And we got Windows logo. So guys, you can resolve your CPU issues if it is not booting up, and by doing all of these tricks, if your CPU is not getting up, there can be a bad SMPS in your CPU if it is not getting power. But first of all, you have to change your power cable. You can use your monitor power cable to check whether it is a power cable issue or not. You can see our CPU is working properly. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks.